Today we're taking a look at some brake caliper hanging brackets that I picked up off of Amazon. These are from Yourkar, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, this whole idea came about is because usually I make caliper hanging brackets out of stuff, and I figured I wanted to try something a little beefier. I used to use like a clothes hanger or something like that, but I found these on Amazon and they look pretty nice and the price was pretty decent on it. So if they do work, great. If they don't work, I'm not out much money. Plus it's from Amazon, so if I don't like them, I can return them and get my money back, which these don't cost that much. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go get the van jacked up and get the tire off and everything so we can check these out. So what I'm going to do is roll some specs in for you guys while I do that. All right, now I got the wheel off here and I got this jacked up. We're just going to pull this caliper off here real quick. Get it slide off there. Now I'm going to get the hanger here. Get it to go right through that hole. Just like that. Now I'm going to bring it up here and hang it off to the side. And you can see right there, that thing is hanging perfect. I'll bring you in for a closer view here of what it looks like. I just got it hanging on the coil spring right there. And now we got our caliper hanging, and this is out of the way. Now you can put this multiple ways or bend it if you want to, but that's how I got mine set up right there. So it looks like it's going to do its job, and for the price, it's not that bad. All right, so we're here the next day, and I forgot I didn't do the end part of my video. So what's my final thoughts here on this Yourkar hanger for your brake calipers? Well, one negative I can see right off the bat is I forgot to show it when I had the bag, but it is made of Chinesium. I'd rather pick stuff up off of Amazon that's made in Taiwan, tool-wise and everything, but every once in a while for the price. I don't like saying the price all the time because it changes all the time, but it was only a little bit over $3 for this thing on Amazon. So I figured, what the heck, you know, $3? Am I really out anything? And truly, if I did not like this, I could just got the 30-day return for Amazon. But for what it is, I mean, it worked. And just the one time I used it, there's no markings or anything on it that I could see. So it held up pretty good. I used it on both sides doing the front brakes, and it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It held the caliper up out of the way, not hanging on the hose like some of the mechanics I see here on YouTube and TikTok and that just let the calipers hang on the hose and they don't realize that's damaging that hose. So if you guys want to check this out, like I said, I like it, but I'm leaving it up to you. I'll have an affiliate link to Amazon down below if you want to check it out. So as always, don't forget to check out the links down below. Down there, I have some affiliate account links, and other ones got discount codes to save you guys money. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.